First thing first, you scale your fish. I use just fork. You can use special machine for this, but I'm holding with my left hand and I just remove with my fork. So first thing first, you clean that part. I apply salt on both sides, and this kind of salt I use, I will insert picture. The salt what I use you can find in European stores near you, so don't use the salt like pink salt or any others. You know, this one is the best to salt your fish, and I will insert picture like I said. On one side I added 3 tablespoons. It's enough, but you know, it depends how big is your fish, you can adjust. After adding salt for about 24 hours in the refrigerator, I kept my fish in the fridge covered in salt for about 48 hours. And now I'm gonna rinse off the salt and just lay it on a cookie rack so it can dry in the fridge. And here is the result. We already eating. Dropping everything in the fridge. So this is how fish looks, and it's very yummy. And it's easy recipe, just fish and salt. Yum yum.